Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the bar at your clavicles and a solid, neutral stance. Take a breath, brace your core, and allow a short, controlled knee dip, not a squat, to load the hips. Drive through your heels and midfoot to produce upward force. This hip drive is what differentiates a push press from a strict press. Once the bar begins moving, immediately prepare to transition from leg drive to arm press so the shoulders pick up the remainder of the load. After the explosive hip extension, make sure your arms take over smoothly. Think of the legs launching the weight and the shoulders finishing the press. Press the bar up slightly back over your head so it travels through the line of force above midfoot. As you lock the elbows, rotate the wrists so palms face slightly forward and push your head through the arms. Once locked, stand tall with glutes engaged to stabilize the load before you breathe and lower under control. Lower the bar with intention. Guide it back to your shoulders while absorbing force with a soft knee bend and hip hinge. Reset your breath and posture for the next rep. Maintain the same short dip depth and rhythm to keep consistency. If the bar drifts forward or you lose balance, widen your stance slightly and cue chest up or reduce weight to reinforce technique. Remember to troubleshoot by filming sets and fixing one technical error at a time to progress safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.